as we go through this night, more humid tropical air is going to try to move in. So as that happens, the winds freshen out of the east-southeast. We're going to see these winds spike up steadily. We'll also see the rainfall start to spike up. Right now, we have patches of rain in the area. Heavier rains across many portions of Connecticut. And when I take a closer look for you, look at all the yellow here going up the Hudson River Valley into Connecticut, onto Long Island, coupled with the stronger winds. And the very heaviest part of the storm is down in here, and that all has to lift up during the night. It's going to be a very fast-moving storm, but as it moves northward and intensifies, it is drawing this tropical storm Philippe, which developed north of Cuba very quickly. And it's not so much what the storm represents other than it's an infusion of energy and moisture into an already energized and moist system, which means the rain potential and especially the wind potential gets enhanced as it comes up during the overnight period. Now, here's a look at the radar with a wall of heavier rain approaching and then overspreading the area between 7 and 9 or 10 o'clock tonight and with us until about 4 a.m. And there'll be some really heavy rain in there. And then once we get past 4 or 5 a.m., the heaviest rain is over, though it'll still be somewhat showery off and on during the first half of the day tomorrow. That brings us, of course, to the clearing that comes later tomorrow. But now, of course, we're going to talk about the wind. Notice here, all of that rain is wind-driven here in Boston as we take you through the next 12 hours, and the temperatures actually go up. So let's take you through the night with the wind gusts getting above 40 miles an hour in Block Island by around 8 o'clock tonight. By 10 o'clock tonight, now we've got gusts to 50 to 55 from New London, Connecticut to Block Island to Nantucket, gusting over 40 on the Cape, 30 to 40 in Boston. And it keeps spiking up to around midnight when the winds south of Boston, southeastern Mass of the Cape could be over 50 miles an hour. Look at that one projection of 73 mile-per-hour winds. 74 is hurricane force. So there may be hurricane force gusts along the east and south coast of New England for a couple of hours during the height of this, starting around midnight 1 or 2 and lasting till about 3 or 4 in the morning. After that, it stays windy, but not as dangerously windy as what will have happened during the overnight period. It will be a windy day, though, all day tomorrow. So what about power outage risk? Well, as we go through the night and the winds increase, watch the clock and look at the power outages. Here you see that we have a small chance of power outages as we get to 8 or 10 o'clock, but we quickly go to a moderate chance once that real heavy wind field builds in by 10 to midnight and lasts till at least 2 to 4 in the morning. So that's what we're dealing with the potential for this storm. Now, as we cover the next 7 days, tomorrow is our impact weather day because even though the heavy rains will be over, there'll still be a few morning showers and it will stay very windy all day long. The nice news is it's more tranquil for Halloween as high temperatures approach 60, and they'll be in the 50s in Boston as we start trick-or-treating, 40s though in the suburbs. The temperatures will cool quickly at night because it will be clear and calm. After that, we could run into a couple of showers eventually, maybe Thursday afternoon into Friday. No other major storms are likely for this week. So what happens during this overnight period is going to be very critical, and be aware that there are likely to be some power outages, some down limbs and some down trees as we get into those peak winds later on tonight. We'll start.